Hello, hello. Welcome to Healthy Life with Kimmi. Well, hey guys, I actually have a bonus tip for you today. So, I've been trying to add blueberries to my diet, and I don't like blueberries. I was having them in my smoothie, right? But I've given up smoothies for a while because I was trying to see if that would help me lose weight. And I did lose weight the weeks that I stopped the smoothies because I think I was just having too much sugar with too much fruit. So that eliminated my blueberries because that's how I was getting in my diet. But guess what? A friend of mine, she said, um, we had some blueberries and some grapes and we mixed them together. Bam, one just fell out. You talking about a nice mix? Mix your blueberries and grapes together. It is delicious and it gives me the fiber that I need. See, because I had eliminated the blueberries. Look at that. So I got a sweet treat, right? Sweet treat and fiber. So try mixing it together. If there is a fruit or a vegetable that you don't like, even with spinach, you may not like spinach, but try mixing it with something else like greens. Maybe you having collards, or I don't know, if you're having an egg. Somebody put that in the comments the other day. They put spinach and vegetables in their omelet. So you already got the omelet. Add something healthy to it, which was one of the tips we gave yesterday about adding veggies. But someone gave me the tip about adding it to your that they added to their omelet. So today I'm showing you, I'm getting my blueberries in there, but as you can tell, it's mixed with the grapes, and it is a nice combination. So I just let my friend taste it, another friend, because I'm traveling this weekend, and they loved it too. So I said I have to share this with you. So mix your blueberries and your grapes. Okay, bye. This is just a bonus tip. Healthy Life with Kimmi. Sign up for the challenge at healthylifewithkimmi.com, where we are all, no matter what journey you're doing, Weight Watchers, keto, Play-Doh, whatever, be there, be square. Okay? Fit is the new it. Bye.